To turn on the Featherweight Compact Dryer, simply click the on-off button up once. It is set to the low heat and speed setting. Just push the button up once more to change to the high speed and heat setting. When you are ready to lock in your style, push the button all the way up to the Cool Shot mode. To turn off the dryer, switch the button all the way to the bottom. To change the voltage of the dryer, use the prong on the plug and rotate to the left or right to switch between voltage settings.
The convenient Curalux Auto Pause sensor will pause airflow when the dryer handle is released and resume airflow once held again. On the handle of the Curalux, you'll find 3 IR sensors, 1 on the front of the handle and 2 on the back. To maintain airflow, ensure at least one of the 3 sensors is covered during use. If not, the airflow will pause. To disengage the auto pause sensor, hold the speed switch down until the 3rd light blinks. To re-engage the sensor, hold the speed switch down until the 3rd light blinks once again.